got a bunch of videos to catch up on, and I figured I'd start with some of the simple ones. And this one's about putting a roof on my little RTV. And I finally got my new truck. I'll be doing a video about that soon. So I was able to go down and pick up the roof that was originally supposed to come with the RTV, but it had to be special ordered. So I got it. You can see it's a fairly large box that wouldn't fit in my wife's car. And it's really actually a big box, but it's very light roof. Really lightweight and nice. And it's pretty amazing how nice they've made all the accessories for these RTVs so that they just kind of snap on. And that's why I wanted to show you this one. So it comes with 5 clamps that are mounted on the roof, and you just have to set it in place and line them up and put them in place. But you can see, really it's the box is a little scary, but the roof is nice. So it does come with 2 strips of foam, and they show you the pictures where to put it on the installation instructions. So it's a adhesive back, and first I went through and I wiped off the area where it's going with alcohol, just some rubbing alcohol, just to remove any wax that I may have gotten up there. And then it's just a simple matter to just try and center it on the top there. And it really does stick good. And then it just wraps down around the back. And I'm actually about a ½ inch too far back, but you know, that's basically how it goes on there. And here's a close-up look at the clamps, and they just roll around the tubing, the roll cage here, and they actually lock in place securely. And that's really great the way they did this, because I'll show you here, it's a matter of 2 minutes to either, you know, put this roof on or take it off. Now it's really lightweight, a little bit of wind today blowing it back, but you know, just set it up on top. Now they tell you to use 2 people, but really only if it's windy do you have to worry about that, I think. And then once you get it, you know, physically up there, it's just a matter of getting those little flip clamps in place around the roll bar. And you have to kind of snake them in between that little gap there, between that back screen and the roll bar. That was about the worst part. It takes a little while to get them opened up and clipped in place. And you have to do there's 3 of them across the back, and then there's actually 2 across the back and 3 in the front. And then you know, it's just a matter of centering it once you got them started. And that center one in the front was a little problem, because I've got the mirror up there, so I had to loosen that and drop that down. And then you can see they just clip on there tight and hold it in place. So really on there secure and quick. So that's pretty much what it looks like, all, you know, with the roof snapped in place. And I've been waiting for this because I've had a couple birds actually poop on the seat while it's been sitting out there by the garden while I'm working out there. So, you know, this actually will be a nice addition in case we get a little rain or anything like that. Plus to keep the sun off me. And that's pretty much what it looks like. And I do actually love this little thing. It's been so handy around the house and, you know, yard and stuff. I just want to do a quick update and, you know, just show you I did finally get the roof for it, and, you know, just how nice they fit on there and how easy you go on there. So, you know, Kubota has really thought this out. And I did actually just get my new truck. So I'll be doing an update video about that to show you a little bit about it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.